At the time, Namsa's Zainab was holding a camera, common black in color. He was holding a camera. One known as Mutwe, that is F4, joined and asked the agents to stop what they were doing. In that instance, A1, that is Chivumbi Achileo, and F3, Wakabi Grace, jumped and grabbed the camera lenses and pulled it off. After a few seconds, he handed it back to her and announced that it was no longer working. Amidst all this, A2, Gaddafi hit Kayondo Margaret's head. She fell down, and her phone fell down, as well as she hit her face on the ground. And other agents, including A1, A2, and A3, started beating her. While she was on the ground, she observed some of these agents had short knives and big sticks, which they used to randomly beat up people. Kayondo Margaret realized her life was in danger and she decided to lie low. The many agents, included A1, A2, and A3, stole her green sweater and her mobile phone handset, common 12 black in color, with 2 SIM cards, 0701, 96, 33, and 077286 6579. There was also another man putting on a face mask who was also part of the soldiers or agents. In that scuffle, the accused person attacked one Rebecca Drake. They boxed and beat him with fists and sticks. He lost his consciousness, got an injury on his lip, and the third lower right molar, and they stole his jumper and mobile phone Techno Spark 8, valued at 400,000. Later, after the incident, Rebecca Drake went to the hospital to get treatment. Later, he reported the matter to police. At the same event, Mukala's John was standing in a tent near Honorable Abedi Bwanika. In a tent. When Honorable Bwanika got up to speak, F4, that is Mutwe, who's common to the victim as head of Honorable Chagulanyi's security team, sped straight to stop Honorable Bwanika from giving a speech. Mukala's John then came in to rescue the situation and F4 pushed him aside. He fell into the hands of A2. Instantly A2, A1 and F4 and others who beat him up seriously and stole his 200,000. He was later rescued by the security officer of Matthias Mpuga. Still about about the time Honorable Dr. Bedi Wanika had stood up to make a speech, supporters of Kyagulanyi Robert Sentamu who were dressed in red, including A1.
Bali bayambadde bya redo omwali wasooka n'owokubiri n'owokusatu n'owokuna
fought Mulungi Rogers.
Bakuba Mulungi Rogers.
Stole his phone.
Babba essimu ye.
Tekino Smart 20. Spark 20. Worth 470.
Ng'ebalwamu emitwalo 47 egya Uganda.
470.
Emitwalo 47 egya Uganda.
Wallet which contained his national identity card.
Yalina n'akasawo ke kateekamu wallet nga mulimu national ID.
And cash.
Ne sente enkalu.
Worth 200,000.
Mwalimu emitwalo 2 egya Uganda.
That Haruna Sechitu was also attacked by the scuffle. In the scuffle.
Ne Haruna Sechitu naye bamulumba mu kakyakana naye.
By the accused persons. And the other security personnel of Honorable Kyagulanyi Robert Sentamu. Namely, A1, A2, A3 and A4. Who beat him up and stole his Tekino smartphone Pop 7. Valued at 320. The different complainants reported the matter to police. The suspects were traced and arrested and were charged. The accused persons were identified by victims. The victims were examined
police form
and one Kayondo Margaret suffered a blunt trauma on the left nose. The injury was 2 days old. Namsa Zainab had a painful pain on the left knee. It was examined a month after the incident. Mukalazi John had a 2-day-old bruise on the left eye. Vega Drake suffered a mild bruise on his lower lip. He had fresh lacerations and he had a missing third molar on the lower jaw. All the accused persons were examined on police form 24. Police form 24. What is hard? You say police.
Police. Form PF.
Everyone was found to be a male adult of sound mind with no observable injuries. It was found to be a male adult of sound mind with no observable injuries. It was found to be a male adult of sound mind with no observable injuries. At F4, Mutwe was found to be a male adult of sound mind with minor bruises and swelling on his body. And swelling on his body. The camera and the lens were recovered, photographed and attached to the file. Prosecution shall rely on the following evidence. Police form number 3 of Kayondo Margaret, Vega Drake, Muhangi Rogers, Mukalazi John, Sechitu Haruna,